Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here again, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, if you're like me and you quite often cook a roast chicken for an evening or a Sunday or Saturday or any day, and you quite often have some left over, well, don't waste it, do what I do. Make yourself a fajita. It's so easy. Stay tuned and watch this video. We need our ingredients: a green pepper, a red pepper, a white onion, some sour cream, of course our chicken leftovers, and I like some sweet chilli sauce at the end. We also need some guacamole and some wraps. Slice the peppers quite thinly. And slice the onions as well. And there we have it. They look colourful already, don't they? Into a pan. In this case I'm using a wok with a drop of cooking oil and the peppers and the onion. And then we're going to cook these down until they get a bit soft, really. Meanwhile, I'll be sorting the chicken out. Take out the bones, take off the skin, and then you're ended up with this nice chicken. In that goes. Give it a good mix around. Cook it down a little bit. Remember that the chicken's already cooked anyway. Then we can plate up. I've warmed the wrap up a bit in the microwave, just for a few seconds. Then we go on with the guacamole, and then on with the chicken mixture. And I'm going to grate some cheese over the top of this. Don't have to, of course, but it's the way I like it, really. It's everybody's preference. Then on with some sweet chilli sauce. Then again, you can miss this out if you don't want it. That's always very nice. And the sour cream. Fold this over nice and gently, and we're ready to tuck in. Well, that's going down well. Well everybody, that was delicious. Please try it for yourself. It's so simple, so easy, saves a lot of waste. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I shall see you next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and yeah, see you next time. Bye then.